You're wondering if Baby Doge is going to make you a millionaire, and to be honest, we're not sure either. But that's what makes the cryptocurrency market so exciting. Anything could happen. In this video, we'll take a look at BabyDoge's price history and try to make some predictions about where it might go in the future. We'll also discuss some of the risks and rewards associated with investing in Baby Doge. So whether you're already a shareholder or just thinking about investing, read on for all the info you need to make an informed decision. You are watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp. So please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comments section. First of all, you need to know what is BabyDoge and its history. BabyDoge is a cryptocurrency that was created in late 2017. It was created as a parody of other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Litecoin. BabyDoge is not meant to be taken seriously, and its value is not meant to be compared to other cryptocurrencies. Now you must be wondering, what are the current BabyDoge price predictions? Well, according to digitalcurrencyprice.com, the current BabyDoge price will be $0.000000156 by 2030. However, market analysts believe that by 2025, the BabyDoge will be trading at $0.000000049,195. Meanwhile, BabyDoge's parent company, Dogecoin, is currently trading at around $0.00118. This would suggest that BabyDoge has the potential to reach a much higher value in the future. Only time will tell. Now we shall explore the potential of BabyDoge to make millionaires. Well, its value is currently microscopic. As of 29 Nov 2022, it is predicted to be worth $0.0000001. However, this could potentially increase in the long term, despite it not being considered a good investment. The reason being is that the potential market for BabyDoge is huge. What's more, according to recent data, the market for micropayments is increasing at an alarming rate. So it's not unlikely that BabyDoge could reach a value of $0.0000001 in 2025. We need to keep in mind the factors that could impact the BabyDoge market. There are a few key factors that could impact the BabyDoge market. First, let's talk about price predictions. A lot of people seem to think that BabyDoge is going to be worth a lot of money in the future, and while that's certainly possible, it's also important to remember that predicting prices is a tricky business. Second, we have to consider the possibility of government regulation. Right now, the cryptocurrency market is mostly unregulated, but that could change in the future. If governments start cracking down on cryptocurrencies, that could have a major impact on the BabyDoge market. And finally, there's always the possibility of technological advances. We've already seen some pretty amazing things happen in the world of cryptocurrencies, and it's entirely possible that something else could come along that makes BabyDoge obsolete. So, while there's certainly potential for BabyDoge to become a millionaire maker, there are also some risks to consider. BabyDoge Investments, Pros and Cons. Here are some things to consider before investing in BabyDoge. Pros. BabyDoge is a new cryptocurrency, which means it has a lot of potential for growth. BabyDoge is based on the Dogecoin blockchain, which is a proven and popular technology. BabyDoge has a low total supply, which could lead to higher prices as demand increases. BabyDoge has a friendly community and good marketing, which could help raise awareness and adoption. Cons? BabyDoge is a new cryptocurrency, which means it is also very risky. Prices could go up or down, and there is no guarantee that it will be successful in the long run. BabyDoge has a low total supply, which could also lead to high price volatility. BabyDoge is not yet listed on any major exchanges, so it may be difficult to buy or sell. You must know what to consider before investing in BabyDoge. Now that you know a little more about BabyDoge, you might be wondering if it's worth investing in. Here are a few things to consider before making your decision. The current price of BabyDoge. At the time of writing this, one Baby Doge is worth $0.000001. The potential future price of Baby Doge. Some experts predict that the price of Baby Doge could reach $1 by 2025. The amount of money you're willing to invest. Remember, you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. Your investment goals. Are you looking to make a quick profit, or are you in it for the long haul? If you're still not sure if investing in Baby Doge is right for you, it's always a good idea to speak to a financial advisor. Only time will tell if Baby Doge will make a millionaire, but your guess is as good as ours. In the meantime, we'll be keeping a close eye on this furry friend and his millionaire potential. Let me know your thoughts on this in the comment section, and do come back for more of these informative videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.